Morning friends, today we are going to learn how to test vector group of three-phase transformers in laboratory using simple instruments. We know that three-phase transformer are having various vector groups as a star star 0, star star 1, delta delta 0, delta delta 1, delta 1, star delta YD1, YD11, DY1, DY11 like this. All these vector groups indicate there is a phase difference between primary and secondary winding. And if you want to measure the phase difference, you need a oscilloscope. But today I'm going to discuss over here how you can test a transformer connection, vector group connection using simple multimeter. So today I'm going to discuss star-star connection and how to test whether it is star-star 0 or star-star 6. Let us quickly revise what is star-star 0 connection. A star-star 0 connection is the one in which primary is connected in this fashion and secondary is connected in this fashion. So identical connections are there on both the sides, and if I assume the right polarity on both the side, I get phasor diagram like this. So if I map the primary phasor as a minute arm and secondary phasor as an hour arm, and if I show on the clock, I get a 12 o'clock situation, indicating that primary phasor and secondary phasor are not having any phase difference in this type of connection. And that is why this type of connection is known as star-star 0 or star-star 12 connection. So star-star 0 connection means there is no phase difference between primary and secondary. Let us see what is YY6 connection. A YY6 connection is the one in which the secondary winding is connected in the other way around. So the phasor between primary and secondary are going to be opposite. So if this is the phasor diagram of the primary winding, the secondary winding, that means R2 to R1 will go in the opposite fashion. And that's why the whole phasor diagram will be in this fashion. If I pick up the R phases only, then you can see this R phase of primary as a minute arm, and the R phase of secondary as an hour arm is giving me 6 o'clock like situation. So this is the connection where you have 180-degree phase difference between primary and secondary, and that's why it is called star-star 6 connection. Now, if I have a transformer, 1 and 2 polarity are marked, but they are correctly marked or not, I do not know. So if I want to test this transformer in laboratory without using CRO and without giving full voltage, so the method is very simple, which I'm going to discuss in my next slide. Suppose I want to test whether it is YY0 or YY6. So suppose the connection is like this. What should I do? I have to have a short link between the R phase of a secondary winding and the neutral of the primary winding. A thick wire I should join by connecting R phase of primary and neutral of the neutral of the primary and R phase of the secondary as shown in the figure. Now you can see over here in this situation, I have to give a very small voltage between the phase R and Y, a small voltage, say 100 volt. So because of which there is going to be induced EMF in the secondary winding also. I am going to concentrate only on R phase of primary and secondary because I want to ascertain the vector group. I do not want to have a transformer action for all these three phases. So what I have to do, first I have to measure VRN, that is the phase voltage of primary. Then secondary VRN, that is phase voltage of secondary. And next, the voltage between R phase terminal of primary and the neutral of the secondary, V capital R, V small n. If the equation is in this fashion, that V capital R small n is equal to V capital R V capital N plus V small r V small n, that is the phase voltages of primary and secondary are additive, and the total voltage is between the terminal of R phase primary and neutral of the secondary, then the transformer is YY0 connection. How can I say that? I can very easily prove that. See, this is the phasor diagram of a primary side of the star connected transformer. If I have a R and N, that is R1 and N connected together through a short link, that means now if the YY0 connection is there, phasor diagram is going to be there. The capital N and R, small r, are going to be the same point. So by redrawing the phasor diagram in this fashion, you can see over here that this is VRN, this is V small rn, that is phase voltage of secondary winding, phase voltage of primary winding, and total voltage between this capital R and small n is sum of these two voltages. And mind well, it is an arithmetic sum, so not a vector sum. They are in the same direction. So very easily you can verify using a simple multimeter. If this relation, this voltage V small rn plus V capital Rn is equal to V capital R small n, then we can very confidently say it is a star-star zero connection. What if it's a YY6 connection? That means, of course, this equation will not satisfy. Our readings will not match in this fashion. So what next? Suppose it is a star-star 6 connection. The winding is going to be in the other way. So this is what we have drawn. Again, we have to have a short link between neutral capital N of the primary winding and small r of the secondary winding. Once we do that, we give small voltage between R and Y of primary winding. Small voltage, say 100 volt. Now again, we have to measure the phase voltages of primary and secondary. And again, we have to measure voltage between the terminal of R phase primary and neutral of the secondary winding. And if the resultant is a difference of these two, then we can say it is a YY6 connection. Again, let us see the proof of it. This is the phasor diagram when I connect the small r to the n. So as the triangle is inverted over here, so if I connect capital N to small r, they are same point, and then this triangle goes upward in this fashion. So we can very easily see that now this is the phase voltage of primary winding, this is phase voltage of the secondary winding, and the voltage between capital R and small r is a subtraction of these two, which is very easily, you can see they are in one line, so it is going to be arithmetic subtraction. Very easily you can verify using just a multimeter. So this is how, if this is true, by giving a small voltage and by measuring the voltage, I can measure and find out that this is a star-star 6 connection. In short, in laboratory, using small voltage and multimeter, we can determine vector group of three-phase transformer. Thank you for watching this video. In next lecture, I'm going to discuss how to find out the vector group of delta-delta connected transformers. Thank you.